Oke, welcome back to my channel. Selamat datang kembali ke channel saya. Today, tonight, okay. Oh, good morning everyone. Good afternoon and good evening. So, jadi dimanapun Anda berada, pagi, siang, dan malam. So, we meet again with new lessons. Alright, so before we go to the lesson, I would like to saya ingin mengundang bagi teman-teman yang baru gabung, baru nonton di channel saya. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, oke, subscribe yang merah itu, tekan. Dan supaya tidak ketinggalan dengan video saya yang terbaru, jangan lupa juga untuk hit the bell icon. Nantinya teman-teman akan mendapatkan notifikasi bahwa saya baru saja merilis sebuah video. Oke, juga teman-teman yang tertarik untuk belajar bahasa Inggris, you watch at the right time, you come to the right place. It's free, you don't need to pay. Oke, silakan. All you need to do, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Jadi Anda mendapatkan notifikasi. Oke? Jadi jangan lupa subscribe. Oh, I upload 3 to 4 times a week. Jadi saya upload itu 3-4 kali. Monday, Senin, Wednesday, Rabu, Friday, and sometimes also on Sunday, hari Minggu ya. Jadi insya Allah kalau Anda subscribe, pasti Anda akan mendapatkan pelajaran yang sangat berguna. Alright, so untuk mempersingkat waktu, without further ado, let's get the lesson started. Tonight, we are going to talk about words related to hospitals. Jadi kata-kata yang berhubungan dengan rumah sakit. Why I want to talk about this? Okay, why I want to talk about this? Actually, I was inspired by my wife a couple of days ago. She was hospitalized for 3 days. He was weak, and then when I was there, and I was thinking about what should I give my viewers, my watchers, and then I came up to an idea. Why don't I just talk about what's related to hospital? Okay, so here I am now. Let's have a look. Okay, actually, of course, there are hundreds words related to hospitals or related things, but tonight I'm only going to talk about 20 words. Okay, how many? 20 words. Okay, remember 20 words. Okay, the first word is clinic. Okay, I think everyone knows what clinic means. So clinic means balai pengobatan kecil ya. So if you go to clinic, it means you will not stay there for long. Okay, it's normally for something small, just come and go. Jadi datang dan itu pergi. Word number 2, that is doctor. I think everyone knows doctor. Okay, also in Bahasa Indonesia we call it doctor, right? My father is not a doctor, and I'm not a doctor. I'm a teacher. Okay, and then number 3, nurse. Okay, say good, nurse. Okay, perawat. Okay, Tuti is a good nurse. Okay, she takes care of the patients really well. Right. Word number 4 is patient. Okay, what? Don't forget T. Patient. Very good. Patient means pasien. Okay, and also patient means sabar. Okay, the difference is patient as a noun, it means pasien, and then patient as an adjective means sabar. So you see that there are two meanings of patience here, and if you want to know more about this is we call homonym. Okay, so if you want to know more about homonym, don't forget, just click that button, or you can search from my video. Okay, so don't forget, just click that button. Okay, so you will study about homonym, more about homonym. And the fifth vocabulary, or the fifth word, is impatient. Okay, don't forget, IN, not I am, it's different. So I am or impatient mean tidak sabaran, while impatient it mean, okay, pasien rawat inap. Okay, sorry, ini ada pasiennya, pasien rawat inap. Okay, so if you just go to the hospital and then the doctor only, okay, treated you in a very short time and then you go home, so you are impatient. And the opposite of lawan daripada inpatient adalah apa? Outpatient. It means, okay, pasien rawat, okay, rawat jalan, right? Rawat jalan, it means, so sorry, you go to a hospital and then the doctor treated you and then go home. Well, before, sorry, inpatient, it means rawat inap. You go to a doctor and you have a bad, your illness or your sickness is very bad, so you need to stay in the hospital. Right, the seventh word is intensive care unit. Intensive care unit, it means unit perawatan intensif. Okay, long ago we call it UGD ya, unit gawat darurat. Tapi sekarang beberapa rumah sakit sudah merubahnya juga dengan, okay, ICU. Jadi mereka sebut juga dengan ICU. Ini intensive care unit, bukan UGD anymore. Okay, bukan UGD lagi. Alright, let's move on to word number 8, hospitalize. Okay, hospitalize. Could you say it? Good. Okay, you're correct. Hospitalize. It means, okay, dirawat di rumah sakit. Okay, normally and usually the word hospitalize is in passive, kalimat passive. Okay, for example, last week my wife was hospitalized for 3 days. Okay, she was hospitalized for 3 days. And then the word number 9 is disease. Okay, could you say it? Good. Disease, the same as illness, penyakit. Okay, there's so many diseases nowadays in the world. Okay, there are so many diseases nowadays in the world. Jadi sudah banyak macam penyakit di dunia sekarang ini. Move on to number 10 is treatment. Treatment, asal katanya dari treat, okay, memperlakukan atau merawat. So treatment mean perawatan. Alright, and we move on to number 11, that is sick or ill. Yes, mostly sick used by American, while ill used by British, but they are all the same, sakit. Okay. Today I didn't go to office because today I am sick. Today I didn't go to office because today I am ill. They are the same. Okay. All right. Now number 12, injury, cedera. Okay. So let's say that after playing football, and then, okay, your opponent, your lawan, okay, tackle you, and then so you get an injury. Right, cedera, yeah? And then number 13, medicine. Medicine. Don't say medicine. It's okay if you want to, but it's better if you say medicine. Medicine or medicine, that's okay, as long as you don't say medicine. Okay, English people don't say it medicine. They say it medicine or medicine. Same as drug. But normally, drug is for something bad. Yeah. But actually, they're the same. Drug and medicine is the same. Okay. People just misuse the word drug, but actually they're the same. Alright, the next word is pregnant. Pregnant, hamil. Okay, so pregnant, hamil. Say, correct, pregnant. Oh, that woman looks like she's pregnant. Are you pregnant? Yes, I am. Okay, good. That's why you're pregnant. Hamil. Then give birth. After, being pregnant for 9 months, it's time for her, or it's time for a woman to give birth. Yeah, give birth, melahirkan. Or she is giving a birth. Okay, dia sedang melahirkan. And then midwife, bukan istri tengah ya, tetapi bidan. This is a very good word. Don't forget. Say midwife. Very good. Midwife, bidan. Number 17 is delivery room. Delivery room, kamar bersalin ya. So normally when a woman is going to have a baby or going to give a birth, okay, she's doing it in delivery room. So okay, kamar bersalin. Then number 18 is WARD, word. Okay, it means bangsal. Okay, after giving a birth, normally, okay, the woman goes to word bangsal, yeah, the place where you stay there for a couple of days after giving birth. And then surgery. Okay, surgery, operasi atau bedah. And then the last word is a person, okay, who does their surgery. A surgeon, okay, surgeon, ahli bedah. Okay, a person who is doing a surgery we call, okay, surgeon. Alright, so I guess those all 20 words that you should know or you should remember, okay, if you want to add, if you want to improve your vocabulary. 20 words, okay, related to hospitals. Of course not, they don't cover all the words, but at least you got 20 words and it's very useful. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's all for tonight. I'll see you again, okay, with my new video. So don't forget, if you're really into, okay, English, or if you're really into learning English, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you will not miss my new video. Thank you for watching, folks. Okay, have a nice day, have a nice evening. I'll see you in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace. Double peace.